Hey everyone, Cody here, and this is video number 17 in our How to Build a Builderall Website video training series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to build a website chatbot for your Builderall website. So, on the home page of Builderall, we're going to go down to the website chatbot, click Enter. All right, now I'm going to go down to Create New Flow. We'll name this Vet Chatbot 2. Add. As you see, I already created one earlier. We're going to go into the one I created for this demonstration. And we're going to see what we're going to build up today. So this is for a veterinarian website. When they first get started, this area will pop up right here, this little chat box. It says, "Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Williams. How may I help you?" And then each one of these are buttons with links. And they will take you, these first things will take you to other areas of our website. The last one, which says, "Never mind, I'm good," will take them to another chat box. It says, "No problem, I understand. Here are some more options down below." And then they can go back to our home page on our website. Or we can also give them a 10% coupon, and hopefully they schedule an appointment with us that way. This is a pretty simple chatbot flow. Now, what a flow is basically just a visual representation of our chatbot. As you can see, it's linked right here. We can see the buttons. We can see that they're all links. And it's just a flow is just an easy way to see what's going on. If you make more complicated flows, as you can see, you can zoom out, and this could be all filled up. I mean, it just depends what you're building. And yeah, it could be pretty complicated. So that's why a visual flow is a lot easier to use. So let's go ahead and go back. And we're going to choose our Vet Chatbot 2. It's going to be a mostly blank one. And we're greeted with a hello message and then a button. What I want to do is I go to my website on the Cheetah Website Builder. Enter. I want to choose my site. And I just want to keep this open with all my pages, just so I can grab links and send them up in the chat flow. So here we are in the chat flow. You can use your scroll mouse in and out, up and down. And you can also left click and hold and drag, and that'll change the area that is visible. So first of all, let's go ahead and edit this. And it's going to be under here. The edit menu is underneath. This is a question with a button. Here you can add an image if you like. And our message, just simply put, "Hello, Amy Williams." I'm just going to use the same example as the last one. "How may I help you?" As you can see, the text appears here. You can choose how to align your text, add another image, and on the button it says "Hi." So we want to change the text up, and let's go ahead and go back to our other chatbot and see, as an example, how that works. Choose list of flows. I'm going to view this. And as you can see, our first one was schedule an appointment. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay. So under the text, schedule, and appointment. Oops. Okay. Schedule appointment. Put that in there. That way it fits. All right. All right, now button type is either a step or a link. Now, as you can see in our other chatbot, these are links. As you can see the link icon. But the fourth one is a step. And that allows us to push this flow connector to our another one. But since the schedule appointment one is a button, we want to have a link. So this is a link. And now we want to place what link we want. And this is the appointment one. So let's go back to our Shooter website. We'll go down to our schedule an appointment page. I'm going to click here in the settings. I'm going to go to website. And we want this URL right here on top, so we want to click, copy, go to our Chatbot, paste the link, click outside, and now our link is set. Now we want to add another button. And this one, go to Services. All right. And we want this one to also be a link. So we're going to go to our website, and we're going to our Services page. Click Settings on the Settings icon. Go to Website. As you can see, this is our Services page. Click, copy, exit out. Back to our Chatbot and place the link inside. Click outside. Let's see what our other one is. Our next one is Help. And add a button. Help. There's also a link. And we'll go back to our website. Our help page. Go to website. I'm going to copy this URL link. Click out of that. Go back to our Chatbot. Place the link inside. Click outside. And these are our linkable buttons. Now I want to add another button. And I want to make this say, never mind. I'm good. Now this one isn't a link, it's a step. So what that means is we can create another chat box. And we want to do that. We want to add a button. And whichever one we want to edit, we want to click on. So we want to click this one. And as you can see, it turns into a question with button. We're going to click on our text. We're going to see what we wrote up here. No problem. I understand. Here are some more options down below. So no problem. I understand. Oops. Some more options down below. As you can see, it shows up right here. No problem. I understand, of course. Here are some more options down below. And our button, we want to keep up what we've said. Oh, back to home. So back to home. All right. And this is also a link. Go back to our website, go to the home page, click the settings icon and go to website page. I'll click this link, copy, go back to our site, paste the link, click outside the box. And then, as you can see that when we pre-built, we want to offer them a 10% off coupon. Go back to our Chatbot. Click Add button. Claim 10%. Coupon. Okay, this is also a link. We'll go back to our Sheet website. And we've already created a Claim Your Coupon page. So, just like before, we go to our website page. Click. Copy. Place the link. Paste it. Click outside. And now we want to do one more thing. Since this bottom one is not a link, it's a step, we want to click in the little circle, hold and drag. Oops. Sorry. Okay. Oops. My mouse is acting up on me. My apologies. What we want to do is click and drag up to here. There we go. And what it'll do is it'll connect on this step. So let's go ahead and save changes. Success. Click OK. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to test this out. So on the top corner, we click Preview. And when someone visits a website, this is how it's going to show up. So I say, hello, my name is Amy Williams. How may I help you? Now, we're going to click on all these. So we want to schedule an appointment. Click that. And as you can see, it takes us to our schedule appointment page. This is our booking calendar that we created in a previous video. So that's working great. Now, I want to reload the flow. So I'm going to choose different options. I'm going to click to services. As you can see, this is our services page. That button is working. I'm going to reload the flow. Click our help link, and of course that pops up as well. That's working. Reload the flow one more time. And now instead of clicking these buttons, I'm going to click never mind, I'm good. And as you can see, it's going to wait a second and pop up the next chat box that we created. No problem, I understand. Here are some more options down below. So we're going to click back to home. And it takes us to our home page. As you can see, we have the video that we created in the last episode. All right, that's working great. Now we can reload this. And we're going to choose the Claim 10% Coupon link. Click that, and it goes to our coupon page where we can click the link to get 10% off. And there we go. So that's how you create a simple chatbot flow in your Builderall back office. Now what we want to do is we want to go back to Flow Builder. And we want to place this on our website, on our home page. So I'm going to click Get Embed Code. And our iframe size should be more than 350 pixels wide by 500 pixels in height. And this is to prevent problems with the layout. And an iframe is pretty much just a box that you place inside of a panel on a website that contains the code. Once it's rendered out, it shows your, like we said in the previous video, it shows your YouTube video, it shows a Google map, or in this instance, a chatbot. Let's go ahead and click the copy button over here. Click OK. We're going to exit out of the chatbot builder. We're going to go to our home page and click Edit. All right. I'm going to go ahead and click. Let's go ahead and, let's see. Let's go ahead and delete this for now. And click on the, let's see, well, we're going to add a panel, so let's add panels, blank panel. We're going to click the, delete this text. All right, now let's click the panel, so the panel menu shows up. Open up the side menu, We're going to add an element. We want to add an iframe. Click that, drag and click. We're going to click this, General Settings, and we're going to place our code in the embed doc. Paste, apply. There we go. Now let's go ahead and move this so we have more room. Let's go ahead and change the size of this real quick. There we go. Oops. All right. All right. So let's go ahead and click this and move it. And what we want to do is we want to make sure that size is bigger than 350 by 500. So as you can see here, we want to make this height. Oops, that's too big. Way too big. There we go. So let's do 550. Let's do 400. There we go. And let's go ahead and place this in the corner. Drag this bounding box down. We want them to be able to see the chat box when it pops up. So at the top, you can see this is our first fold. And we want to make this so it shows, close to the top. There we go. This will pop up. Then we want to click Save. That's fine. And now go to website. When it loads, as you can see, it's going to start the chat. And we can click the available links. So schedule an appointment. Takes us to our appointment page. So that's how you create a simple chatbot for your Builderall website. If you're interested in a $1 30-day trial to Builderall, you can click the affiliate link down below in the description. If you have any questions or comments or a video tutorial request, you can leave a comment down in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.